नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटियाओं। आई एम JBN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा। Faculty name Faculty of Education and Methodology. Department name Teaching Education and Methodology. University name Jyoti Vidyapeth Women's University. Program name BA/BSc B.Ed ZBC PCM second semester. Course name Understanding the Education and its Perspective. Session name Education as a Value Development. Kinds of values, types of values, hierarchy of educational values, and educational values are affected to educational aims. All discussion in this video. Today I am delivering my lecture session Education as a Value Development, types of values, hierarchy of educational values, and effective to educational aims. Effective values to educational aims. All are discussing in this video. So I am start my video. There are three types of values: instrumental values, intrinsic values, and aesthetic values. Instrumental values are values that are judged as good because they are good for something. These values are useful in themselves that they are also instrumental in realizing some other values. Tal and swar will be useful to him, her to realize her chief objectives. For example, if a child wants to become a noted musician, knowledge of tal and swar. The knowledge of swar and tal is an instrumental values for some higher values. These instrumental values are subjective and change according to change in circumstances. Thus, instrumental values are of no use in other vocations and professions. Instrumental values are specific interest of the child, like as musician, painter, and other specific activities. So musician, instrumental, swar tal are instrumental values. Intrinsic values are values which are judged as good not for something else but in and of themselves. These values are complete in themselves and are not dependent upon anything external. For example, furniture of a class is useful to the teaching process. Hence, furniture has a value in itself. It may be born in mind that intrinsic. Values are not subjective but objective in nature. Aesthetic values, values which given us pleasure and happiness, are known as aesthetic values. Some educationists delimit these values up to the domain of fine arts only. Other educationists of the day hold that pleasure and happiness may be derived from other subjects of the curriculum also besides the fine art. It should be borne in mind that aesthetic experiences are vitally composed of feeling, of heart, as well as mind. Hence, teachers should strive to familiarize children with various curricular as well as co-curricular activities to develop the aesthetic values more and more. Hierarchy of educational values. Immediate and remote. Most of the educationists regarded the intelligence like or remote values as a higher nature. The immediate ones. Even in the latter category, they hold intrinsic values of a greater importance than the instrumental values. This because instrumental values are subjective conditions by time and place, while intrinsic values are universal, relatively permanent and positively nature. But it noted there are some educationists, mostly materialistic, who rate instrumental values higher than intrinsic values. This controversy poses a problem in curriculum construction as whether subjects related to instrumental values should be assigned any place above or below or near the subject connected with intrinsic values. As a matter of fact, both kinds of values are interrelated, mutually complementary, supplementary, and are essentially for the progressive growth and development of children. Hence, hierarchy of educational values is not of great significance for a wholesome and proper development of children. Our values are essential in spite of the undoubted greater significance of intrinsic values. Educational values are the determinants of educational aims. Educational aims are determined by educational values. As are the values show shall be the aims of education. The other words, educational values take the form of educational aims. In this process of transformation, historical analysis, scientific analysis of current life, activity analysis of child and adults, psychological analysis of human nature, job analysis, personal opinion, general opinion, and philosopher opinion. Philosopher's opinion is regarded as the most important base for the determinants of educational aims. This is because all the other bases are conditioned by time, place, circumstances, and situations. While the views of philosophers are relatively permanent for all times and places, and in addition can point out towards direction of reform and modification of the prevalent aims. But there is a controversy over here also, as different philosophers emphasizes different values. But in spite of these differences in approach and viewpoints, one thing is to utmost importance, that education aims depends on and are based upon educational values. Educationists have divided two categories: general ultimate aims or related specific and related aims. Values are the determination of educational aim. So two categories of educational values: general aim, ultimate aims, and specific and related aims. General and ultimate, the formation of general and ultimate aim of education. For example, if the aim of education is self-realization, then the first step towards its attainment will be to understand the nature of the child, and after correct security try to know well his basis tendency, capacities and abilities. After these, educational activities and programs should be so organized that the basic capacities and abilities are developed to the full extent and the child is able to realize self completely. Ultimately, aims are determined on the natural and essential based of intrinsic values. Specific or immediate aims are education are determined on the basis of instrumental aims, values. For example, according Herbert Spencer, the ultimate aim of education is complete living. He has divided this broad aim to 5 specific categories and has assigned appropriate activities to each category. In the same way, to realize the aim of complete living, the Nation Educational Association 7 specific aims of education: health, command of functional, fundamental process, notably the 3 R's: worthy home membership, vocation, civic functions, worthy use of leisure time, ethical character. There are 7 important aims of education developed by educational values, through developed educational values. Education is self-realization. All the subsidiary specific aims contribute towards its realization to the fullest possible extent. Aims there must be tailor-made for the occasion. We cannot publish a list of them in advance. There are no educational aims which are unalterably to externally. So in this video we are discussing type of hierarchy of determinants of educational ends. Thank you.